We will primarily assemble the bed lying on its face, with the back of the bed facing up. It is easiest to start by laying out your bed panels so that the bottom is closest to the wall it will sit against, as seen in this video. We recommend watching through the video completely before beginning assembly. Install the hardware onto the sides which have been pre-drilled. The long rectangular brackets should be positioned so that the single bolt with bronze bushing is near the bottom. Attach using the provided black screws. Attach the plastic bed frame stops at the top of each side panel. Position so that the flat edge faces the close edge of the panel and use the included screws to secure it. Arrange the side panels, top panel, and bottom panel on end so that the front finished edge is down and the cabineos, embedded screw connectors, are facing out. Align the cabineo screws with the pre-drill holes in the sides. Using the included cabineo tool, secure the bottom and top panels to the sides. Using the included truss head screws, silver screws with a wide flat head, attach the bottom trim pieces to the sides. There are 2 pre-drilled holes in the side of the cabinet, and 2 pre-drilled holes on the back side of the side trim. Make sure that the finished edges are facing the top of the bed. Attach the top back panel. This is easiest if you have someone to help you balance the panel while you align the cabineo screws to the pre-drilled holes in the top and sides and secure them. Sometimes the cabineo screws will need to be backed out in order to get the panel into place. Lift the completed box out of the way. Lay out the pieces of the bed frame on the ground. Arrange them so that the ends with the extending legs are away from the assembled box. The bed hardware includes 3 lengths of ultra-low profile socket cap bolts. For this step, you will use the shorter and mid-length bolts. Place one of the plates with 4 holes to the outside of the crossbar. Use the longer bolts with nuts on the through holes and the shorter bolts on the blind holes. Remove the bolt from the articulating leg. Slide the leg extension on and secure using the bolt. At the head of the bed, the headboard will replace the 3 steel plates. Secure everything using the longest bolts through the through holes and the mid-length bolts in the blind holes. With the front panels laying flat on the ground, lay the completed bed frame on top of them. Align the bottom of the front panels with the back of the headboard. Make sure the inside edges of the front panels are flush together. Center the bed frame side to side on the front panels. Secure the bed frame to the front panels using the provided screws through the intended holes. Remove the nuts and bolts from the brackets installed on the completed box and keep close by. Insert the wooden dowels into the 2 holes on the back side of the front trim near the top edge. Lay the front trim under the bottom of the assembled bed frame and front panel so that the dowels are on either side of the front panel and the unfinished bottom edge is exposed, pointing away from the assembly. Lay the completed box over the bed frame. Align the dowels with the holes in the front of the cabinet sides and slide into place. Secure the front trim using the cabineos on the bottom panel. Install the gas struts to the threaded eyelets in the bed frame near the headboard. If there are 4 included gas struts, the longer strut will be installed on the outer eyelet and the shorter one on the inner eyelet. Align gas struts to their corresponding posts at the top of the brackets. A rubber mallet may be necessary to tap them into place. Secure using the nut you removed earlier. Cut the zip tie from the leg extension arm and insert the smaller bolt through the hole and secure this to the bracket. Be extremely careful not to drop the extension arm into the bed frame. It can be extremely difficult to fish back out. Install the bottom back panel the same way you did the top back panel. With the assistance of 1 to 2 additional people, lift the completed bed and slide it into place. Make sure that the box is square to the front panels and that there is a consistent width gap between the edge of each front panel and the box. Using a stud finder, locate at least 2 studs in the wall. Attach the short end of the included L bracket to the wall at each stud, and secure the long end of each L bracket to the top of the bed. Make sure to keep the box square to the front panels during this step. If in the process of securing the bed to the wall, the box and front panels move out of square, this can be corrected by pushing the bottom of the bed one direction or the other. Place the top cap on the bed. Align the back edges with the back of the bed and center it horizontally on the bed. Secure using the provided screws through the pre-drilled holes. At this point, it is safe to open the bed. Open the bed and install the mattress straps. It is easiest to install the bed slat by first sliding the plastic ends onto each slat, then pressing the ends into the opening in the bed frame. Place the strut covers over the gas struts and side brackets. The back edge should be approximately vertical and allow for movement of the gas strut. Secure with the included screws and snap the included plugs into place.